Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload HTML file in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that's perfectly explained how to publish your website using cPanel. What is cPanel and how to log in? Click Client Login at the top right corner of your website to go to the client login page. On the homepage, click My Services, then choose My Product or Services. Select the domain you want to manage, then click Manage Product, as you can see, guys, right here in the picture. On the top left, click Login to cPanel, as you can see, guys, right here. And once you log into cPanel, in order to upload the HTML file, just follow these steps. So, uploading the HTML and CSS file to cPanel. Upon login to cPanel, you will see the dashboard of cPanel. As you can see, guys, right here, this is how the dashboard of cPanel looks like. Click on File Manager. File Manager is the file management system in your website. Publish your website through File Manager. In the File Manager, search for public HTML. On the left sidebar of the File Manager, upload the index.html and other source file that you desire to public HTML. When the upload is complete, click on the link back to home, customer/public HTML. You will now see your uploaded file in the file manager screen. Repeat step 4 if you have more than one source file, and then your website is live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.